Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
I will explain why and how you can change your iPhone GPS location safely. Many people want privacy, app testing, or access to location-limited content. Changing GPS can protect privacy and let you simulate other cities for development. You can use official tools, Mac OS developer features, VPN, or third-party apps to simulate locations. Some methods require a computer connection while others run on the device. Before proceeding, understand risks including app bans, warranty impacts, and inaccurate emergency response. Start with a method that matches your needs and technical comfort. If you have a Mac, use Xcode to connect your iPhone and simulate a location using the device's window. This method requires a Lightning cable and the Xcode developer tools installed on Mac OS. For non-developers, use a trusted VPN plus a reputable location spoofing app to override app location settings. Some apps require device-level mocking plus airplane mode toggling. Always test location, changes in maps, and in the target app to confirm results. After changing your GPS, verify the new coordinates across Apple Maps, Find My, and the Target app. If results are inconsistent, disable the spoofing tool and reboot the iPhone to restore real GPS signals. You can also uninstall third-party apps and remove VPN profiles to revert. Understand the risks fully. Some services may ban accounts, emergency responders could receive wrong locations, and extreme modifications might affect warranty status. Use these methods responsibly and only for legitimate testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.